Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, and that could be April, I don't think my customers can afford to pay more, which is completely understandable and super compassionate of you because, our customers become like family to us. And when you realize it's not a matter of if they can afford you, but a matter of if they value you. And if they value you, they'll pay what you're worth. Let me ask you, if your customer is going on vacation, would you buy their new vacation outfit? No, right? So why would you pay for their dog's pet care or their cat's pet care while they go on vacation? If it's your customer's responsibility to pay for their own vacation and everything they need for it, then isn't it also their responsibility to get proper pet care for their animals while paying for it too? Okay, the third tool every pet business owner should have in their toolbox for the holiday season is a wait list. Having a wait list is really beneficial for you in the sense that it kind of gives you a little guilt free no. I love the wait list for multiple reasons. One, if you struggle with telling your customers no when you're fully booked, then the wait list is a great way to kind of mitigate that guilt you might be feeling, even though you shouldn't have that feeling. I know we're all human and we still have it. So if you can instead say, I apologize, I'm fully booked, but I would be happy to put Fido on the wait list in case anything opens up, then this keeps them moving forward with this idea that you're still trying to help them and kind of gives you that little, get out of jail free card. And what is even better about this is if you end up having a cancellation and you go through your list asking people if they would still like to book with you because you had a cancellation, chances are they are going to cancel with their backup sitter because they chose you first in the first place for a reason. So, this is a great way to make sure that even if you have cancellations throughout the holiday season, you can still fill those spots. The fourth tool that every pet business owner should consider having in their toolbox so that they can avoid, bypass, say bye bye, no more thank you to chaos and stress during the holiday season is a late booking fee. Especially if you find that a lot of your customers end up booking at the last minute, or you're already booked 2 to 3 months out from the holidays, and now anybody you accept is going to put you above and beyond your occupancy or your limits, then add in a late holiday booking fee. This can only ensure that you're at least getting compensated for your extra effort and energy. This can also help you to pay for more labor if you hire people to help out during the season.